And dividend, they are some incentives that they give to shareholders to motivate them to invest in their companies and also use that to attract new investors. So before a company can pay dividend, they look at their performance of the year, the profit that he made from the company, and then they share portion of that profit to their shareholders. Not every company in the Ghana stock pay dividend, and it's not by force for a company to pay dividend. As an beginner investor want to earn passive income aside your stocks, you need to look for a company that pay dividend. So in case they announce a dividend payment and exit date, you'll be able to also benefit from it. So now let's look at the companies in the Ghana stock exchange that paid dividend. The first one is MTN Ghana. Since MTN Ghana get to the Ghana stock exchange, they've been paying dividend consistently, and through their consistent paying dividend, even this year 2025, MTN Ghana paid dividend and they paid 0.305 per share. So in case you own any shares on MTN, you'll be getting 0.035 per share. Okay, so in case you have about 1,000 shares on MTN, and a dividend that will be paid as cash for you will be 305 cedis. That will be what the passive income that you earn for MTN. Payout ratio was 80.2%. That means the profit that they made for the past year, they gave 80.2% to their investors. You can check MTN Ghana and add it to your portfolio. Two is what Ghana Commercial Bank. They will announce that they will be paying 1 CD per share on each dividend, and they were also paying dividend, but they stopped when the financial crisis hit on banking sector in Ghana. They stopped paying dividend. So this year 2025, they announced that they are going to pay 1 CD per share. Their dividend yield was 15.7%. But until now, it has not been approved. MOGs have not approved it, so they haven't paid dividend. That's what the Ghana Commercial Bank. And then Total Energy announced it, and they did it. They announced that they're going to pay 2.560 per share on every dividend that someone owns from Total Energy. So any dividend that you have, you're going to earn 2 CD 56 pesos from it. So imagine you have 1,000 shares on Total Energy. That means you're going to make about 2,560 from your shares as a passive income that you have on your investment. That's also Total Energy, and you can add it to your portfolio. And if you look at the top performing stocks in Ghana, Total Energy also is part, and you can check it in the description for the top performing stocks in Ghana if you haven't watched that video, so that you'll be able to look at it and add some of them into your portfolio and start benefiting from your investment. Standard Chartered Bank made an announcement that they're going to pay 1 CD 67 pesos per share on each dividend. Dividend yield was 5.96%, and their payout ratio was 65.2%. So that means they are doing well, because the profit that they made, they are giving out 65% to their shareholders. So imagine you have 1,000 shares from Standard Chartered Bank, you'll be making 1,670 as a passive income for yourself. Fifth one is Benso oil palm plantation, and they also announced a dividend pay, and they did it, okay, and they paid 0.9085 per share. And then if you have 1,000 shares, you'll be making 908 cedis from the dividend. So these are things that as a beginner you want to invest, you look at and put your money in those companies, so in case they are paying dividend, you'll be able to also benefit from it without touching your stocks and stuff. And then you use that money to also reinvest to grow your stock, and then also you diversify your portfolio. And I always say this: anytime you are investing, be a smart investor. Smart investors always invest a little that they have, and then it become big at the time that they need it. So start small, grow big. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.